are cooking. First time in the new kitchen. That is not really a kitchen at the minute. It's just a bit of a mess. It's very old, so please just bear with me while we redo it. But we're cooking. We are making these today. These are from the Weight Watchers magazine last month, I think. Chocolate and peanut butter snack balls. They're 2 smart points each. They are 58 calories a ball, and yeah, 2 per ball or 5 per 2 balls. We're just gonna make it. It's really easy. All you need is powdered peanut butter, which I happen to have, PB Fit, porridge oats, clear honey, dark chocolate chips, salt and vanilla extract. So we're gonna make them because they look really good for snacks. So I will tilt the camera down and we'll do some cooking. So it's 2 tablespoons of PB Fit, and then you add 1 tablespoon of cold water. To make a paste. And then it says add the remaining ingredients, stir to combine. So we need 90 grams of porridge. Right, 50 grams of clear honey. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. 30 grams of dark chocolate chips. Okay, so now it says to wet your hands and roll them out onto parchment, which I'm gonna do. So they're in the fridge for 15 minutes or until firm, so we will come back later when they're firm and try one. And it says you can keep them in an airtight container for up to a week. So I'm excited. They're smaller than I thought they were going to be, but if they taste like peanut butter and chocolate, then I'm going to be happy. Right, it's been about 20 minutes and they are nice and firm. There was 1 little extra one. I made 13 of the same size and then 1 little tiny one. So I'm going to try this one. Really like them for 2 points each. I've got to track that one. I'm going to put these in a little tub and leave them in the fridge, but they are super yummy. I don't know if you meant to leave them in the fridge. It says in a tub. I'm going to keep mine in the fridge though because I want the chocolate to be nice and cold, because I like cold chocolate. I definitely recommend them. If you like these kind of videos, you know what to do. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. More fun stuff to come, and you can watch my kitchen get nice eventually.